How much is my house worth? Should I price it aggressively to attract buyers? And what renovation or repair should I make before I sell? These are some of the questions that in pricing and strategy that you might be asking yourself right now if you're thinking about selling. This is Bob Wiggum with Remax Victory and Affiliates, living the life of a realtor one day at a time. So how much is my house worth? Well, you can value your house any way you like. Okay, it's basically a personal opinion and many times based on some facts. Valuing a home is crucial. Accurately valuing it is crucial. And a lot of sellers are turning to a professional appraiser or detailed comparative market analysis, CMAs. Those are usually prepared by a realtor. Some people use real estate agents to guide their pricing. Pricing is critical. It's a matter, like I said, it's a matter of opinion. People have a perspective. For example, some of the things that I own I think are more valuable than what somebody else may value them at. And usually that's because there's some personal attachment to those things. So it's really a good idea to have an independent person provide some information about the value of your property before you decide to sell. And then should you price it aggressively to attract buyers? Well, while a lower price can get you a lot of attention, it might not be necessary in every market. For example, we're kind of still in a seller's market, so prices of housing has been going up because of the economics of the market right now. You know, very few sellers, lots of buyers, and you know what that means. So overly aggressive pricing might also limit potential offers. There are buyers out there that'll look at that and say, I can't afford that, and there's no way they'll take what I can afford. Well, sometimes from the buy side, that's a really not a good decision. You should always make an offer on something that you are interested in, no matter what the asking price is. It might be in the seller's eyes ridiculous, and they may never want to talk to you again, but that's their problem, not yours. So also, what renovations or repairs should I do before listing? Well, a smart pre-listing preparation would involve an objective walkthrough of the property to determine if there's any deferred maintenance issues that need to be taken care of. You know, chipping paint's a real problem on FHA and VA loans. So if you've got any exterior or interior chipping paint, you need to get that fixed. And then there are some other things that you might want to consider: a fresh coat of paint, maybe some new carpeting, because fresh paint and new carpeting has a very alluring aroma when you walk into a property. There's something about that just piques people's interest. You want to do little things like make sure all the outlets are covered properly, just little things that indicate that the home has been well taken care of. So anyway, pricing strategy is important. If you're a marketing person, you understand that, and maybe you can go it alone. But if you want some advice, and some assistance on something that you personally don't do very often, then maybe you need to talk to a professional. So anyway, this is Bob Wiggum with Remax Victory and Affiliates, living a life of a realtor one day at a time. And remember that your dream home is just a call away. So let's make it a reality together.